there! Welcome to BST10, a revolutionary new business system built for architects and engineers like you. It's time to say hello to the BST10 Operations Manager Dashboard. Begin by launching BST10. By default, you will land on your Operations Manager dashboard, which acts as your central information hub. Your dashboard has 5 main areas: forecasts and alerts, delivery, resources, project status, and organization status. The system automatically recognizes who you are and loads the dashboard with information based on your areas of responsibility. But let's say you want to tailor the screen even more. You can easily change what information you see on the dashboard using the Personalization Mode. Once in Personalization Mode, you can add or remove visualizers and rename your dashboard sections. To add a visualizer, just drag and drop it from the set of options at the bottom of the screen. Once you've finished personalizing your dashboard, you can save the new layout you just created. Now, you'll be able to access it anytime from the Views menu. Next, you can navigate to the different areas of the dashboard by selecting the tabs along the top of the screen. The Forecasts and Alerts tab gives you insight into the projected position of your project portfolio. At the top of the screen, the graphic visualizer displays a forecasted resource schedule of how your division's confirmed and tentative resource commitments compares to the overall net capacity of hours over the next 12 months. Your newly added visualizer highlights your 12-week staffing outlook in hours against capacity. The visualizers below allow you to see projects that could be at risk based on certain criteria your company sets. They could be anything from projects with variance at completion, to a scheduled variance, to aging of unbilled or receivables. On any item in the dashboard, you can right-click and get a listing of related items. This allows you to gather more details about that particular item, giving you access to the information you need right when you need it. The next tab of the dashboard, the Delivery tab, gives you a historic look at your group's projects with information on past, present, and future performance. At the top of the Delivery tab is a summary of the total scheduled backlog of work, presented in hours for all of the projects your team is managing over the next 12 months. In the Results area, you can review the overall financial health of your group's projects using this graphical representation of combined project performance for the past 6 months. At the bottom of the Delivery tab, you'll find a complete list of all of the projects that your team is currently managing. You can easily reorder, filter, or sort the projects in this list by right-clicking on the column header and selecting the information you would like to display. Then, drag and drop the columns to place them in the order that works best for you. The next tab on the Operations Manager dashboard is the Resources section. Now you can see summarized staffing information and make sure you are not over or under capacity. At the top of the screen, you can review forecasts for your weekly staffing outlook and net utilization percentage. The visualizers allow you to easily see how your confirmed and tentative resource assignments compare to the overall staffing capacity of your group. But let's say you want to dive deeper and see the breakdown of hours represented in the graph. Simply open the View drop-down menu in the visualizer and select the Data option. Now, a table with the actual number of hours appears below your graph. In the Results area, you can see a comparison of your staffing history and scheduled hours, as well as your group's overall net utilization percentage for the past 6 months. You can use this information to understand how efficiently your staff was utilized versus what was scheduled. And that's the Operations Manager dashboard in BST10.